Hello, hello everyone. ठीक है, ईटीसी का रिवीजन कर देंगे एग्जाम्स से पहले। ठीक है, तो बस शुरू करते हैं। सबको ज्वाइन हो जाने दीजिए, फिर शुरू करेंगे। 1 मिनट। Join quickly, everyone. Everyone join. Waiting. Started. So let us join. Hello, hello, hello.
This strategy can help you capture the biggest breakouts before they happen, like.
Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to solve this numerical on BZT. So this is basically, you can see this.
This strategy can help you capture the biggest breakouts before they happen, like.
Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to solve this numerical on BZT. This is basically a common emitter configuration, right? So here we have to find the value of IV, we have to find the value of IC, and we have to find the value of VCC, VCE, and we have to find the value of VCV. Okay, so you already know the value of beta, which is basically nothing but it is current gain, right? So let us quickly solve this numerical, right? So let us first find the value of IV. So you can see here, let us say you are going to do the KVL analysis on this loop. Okay, so let us say the current flowing through this loop is IV. Okay, so now this current you have to find, right? IV. So let us apply the KVL on this loop. This is, let's say, loop number first. So if you apply the KVL on this loop, so let us write the equation VVB, right, minus IV into RV minus VBE equals to 0, and you already know the value of VBE. Okay, it's a 0.0. 0.7 volt. So now you have to find the value of IB here. So let us directly write equation for IB. IB equals to, right, VBB minus VBE, right, divide by RB. Okay, so you have the value of VBB, which is 5 volt, minus 0.7 volt, and divide by 10k. And if you solve this, you will find the value of IB equals to 430 microampere. So let me write the value of IB here, right? So let me use other color to write the value of IB. So the value of IB equals to 430 microampere. Okay, microampere. So let me erase this expression. Now you got the value of IB, right? Right. So now let us find the value of IC. So how will you find the value of IC? It's very simple, right? So to find the value of IC, you may use different color. So you know IC equals to, there is a straightforward equation. IC equals to beta times of IB, right? Beta times of IB. And since you know the value of beta, which is 150, and the value of IB, which is 430 microampere, now you can directly calculate the value of IC, which is given by 64.5 milliampere, right? So let me write the value of IB. Let me write the value of IC. So this is IC equals to 64.5 milliampere. Okay, now you have the value of IB and you have the value of IC, right? So you have the value of IB and you have the value of IC. Now let us find another value here. Okay, so so this is a loop number, this was loop number 1. Now let us apply KVL in loop number 2. So this is loop number 2. Let us say current flowing through this loop is IC, which we have already found. So this is IC. So this is loop number 2. So you may apply the loop number KVL on loop number 2. So let us apply the KVL. So this is VCC minus IC times RC, right, minus VCE, collector to emitter voltage, equals to 0. Now you have to find the value of VCE. You can directly write the expression for VCE equals to VCC minus IC times RC. Okay, and since you know the value of VCC equals to 10 volt, right, and IC equals to 64.5 milliampere, and you have to multiply the resistance value, which is 100 ohm, right? So you can easily find the value of VC, which is 3.55 volt. So this is 3.55 volt. So you may write here the value of VC equals to 3.55 volt. Okay, let us find the value of VCB. So VCB equals to VCC minus VBE. So you know the value of VCC, which is 3.55, and you know the value of VBE is 0.7 volt. And if you solve this, you can easily find the value of VCV, which is 2.85 volt. So you can write here the value of VCV is 2.85 volt. Okay. So hope you understood how will you calculate the value of IB, how will you calculate the value of IC, how will you calculate the value of VCC, and how will you calculate the value of VCB. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to ask me.
एपिक ऑनलाइन एक्शन गेम वॉर थंडर डाउनलोड करें और धांसू युद्ध के साथ अपना दिन बनाएं। ये सिर्फ एक गेम नहीं है बल्कि एक असली एक्शन है।
In this video, we'll look at practical techniques for the analysis of BJT circuits at DC. We know that the voltage-current relationships of BJTs are governed by the PN junction between base and emitter. However, this active mode PNP transistors, RE is
We are given in circuit. We given RC equal to 4.7 kilo ohm, and let's say this is 10 volt and this is 4 volt. Okay, ठीक है, तो ये 4 वोल्ट है, ये 10 वोल्ट दिया है, ये आर ई का वैल्यू दिया है, जो मीटर पॉइंट पे रेजिस्टर लगा है 3.3 किलो ओम, तो हमें वैल्यू मुझे बीटा भी दिया है क्या 100। तो आई हमें फाइंड करना है इसके एलिमेंट जो कि है इधर से फॉलो आई इक्वल टू बी बाई आर हम बताए, तो इधर भी क्या है 0.7 से इधर से है तो 4 माइनस 0.7 बी से, तो 3.3 वोल्ट बाई आर ई आई इक्वल वी बाई आर, तो ई मतलब वही 3.3 किलो ओम। ठीक है, सो देन विच बिकम 1 मिली एम्पियर। ओके, इधर से 4 वोल्ट आ रहा था, इधर 7 वोल्ट। ठीक है, माइनस हुआ तो इधर हुआ पोटेंशियल, सेम डायरेक्शन माइनस, पोटेंशियल हुआ 3.3 वोल्ट। नेक्स्ट आई फाइंड, देन आई सी इक्वल टू अल्फा आई सी इक्वल टू alpha I. So now we can find the value of IC, which is approximately 0.99 milliampere, because we know the value of I. So BC, now BC equal to BC, which means voltage in this potential at a point BC equals to the voltage which is coming, it is 10 वोल्ट, यहाँ से इधर आ रहा है, ये पॉइंट को आ रहा है 10 वोल्ट। ये केवीएल अप्लाई करो, सर बोले थे जो क्लास में, केवीएल अप्लाई करो, 10 वोल्ट माइनस आरसी जो कि इधर है, आरसी आईसी, आई इंटू आर होगा इधर, 10 वोल्ट माइनस आई आर इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 10 वोल्ट माइनस 4.7, ये मतलब इधर है 4.7 वोल्ट, दैट्स व्हाई। ठीक है, कर लो 5.3 वोल्ट। नेक्स्ट आई बी इक्वल टू आई सी बाई बीटा, और आई सी इक्वल टू बीटा आई बी, तो विच बिकम 0.01। नाउ the next question in this, solve this using circuit analysis. A point, they are given 6 volt, means 6 volts इधर से इधर आ रहा है, which is 5.3 वोल्ट इधर हुआ माइनस होके 7 वोल्ट से 5.3 वोल्ट ये पोटेंशियल आ गया, इधर का मतलब 10 वोल्ट माइनस 10 वोल्ट माइनस बीसी 4.7 किलो ओम इंटू आई मतलब 1.1 मिली एम्पियर, आईसी कलेक्टर थ्रू फ्लो हो रहा है, ये हम कैसे फाइंड किए, इधर फाइंड किए, आई इक्वल टू पी बाई आर। सो आई इक्वल टू आया इतना 1.6 milliampere. So IC is approximately equal to this much. So that's all.
Welcome to Second Life.
Okay, so for now it's ending and we'll do it soon.